I wish to congratulate and thank the staff members of the Supreme Court who have actually undertaken this duty of receiving the documentation and the filing process with such dedication and patriotism. I can see that it's an amazing improvement from my time here, and we must congratulate them for that process. Secondly, I would like to also appreciate the petitioners in this case, led by Raila Amolo Odinga, because this gives us a great opportunity, and it is a welcome opportunity, to be able to demonstrate to the entire world and Kenya that the President-elect William Ruto was validly elected.
Sisi tumesema kwamba hatutaki kuleta siasa katika kesi, na ndio hatuzungumzi mambo ya hii kesi itaenda hivi ama vile. Kwa sasa na mambo yale yako katika petitions, makaratasi yetu, kwa sababu tunaamini mahakama kuu ina uwezo wa kuamua kesi na watafanya hivyo kulingana na sheria.
We meet in court Monday, Tuesday for the pre-trial, and by next week this thing will be behind us. Thank you very much, and thank you for your patience. We've been here receiving documents in installments because there were many petitions, and that process has ended very, very smoothly.